Thomson Reuters. ONESOURCE. Indirect tax is a popular choice for businesses looking for sales tax automation. But before you decide if it's right for you, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll compare it to other competitors to give you a clear picture. Stick around to the end, as we'll share a better alternative that you can try for free. First, Thomson Reuters ONESOURCE offers a comprehensive suite for indirect tax management, covering everything from sales tax automation to global VAT. This makes it a strong competitor against options like Avalara and Vertex, especially if you're operating in multiple countries. But while it's robust, it's not the most beginner-friendly solution, and some users find the learning curve steep. Next thing to note is its integration capabilities. ONESOURCE integrates well with enterprise-level systems like SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics. However, this could be overkill for smaller businesses or companies using simpler systems. If you're a smaller business, simpler tools might be more efficient and cost-effective. The third thing you should consider is the pricing. ONESOURCE isn't exactly affordable, especially for small to mid-sized companies. Its pricing structure is typically customized, which means you'll need to get a quote based on your business size and needs. In comparison, other services like TaxJar have more transparent pricing, making it easier for smaller businesses to budget. The fourth thing is its global capabilities. Thomson Reuters. ONESOURCE excels at handling indirect tax compliance worldwide. It provides access to over 200 countries and their local tax rules, which is great for multinational companies. Competitors like Avalara also offer global coverage, but ONESOURCE tends to focus more heavily on large corporations with complex needs. The fifth thing is its reporting functionality. ONESOURCE's reporting features are powerful, but again, they can be overwhelming if you don't need them. If you're a small business, you might prefer the simpler, more intuitive reporting of a solution like TaxJar. Next, let's talk about updates. With sales tax rates constantly changing, ONESOURCE does a good job at keeping its database up to date. However, users report that it can take time to implement updates and corrections. This is a common issue with more complex platforms, while competitors like Avalara tend to provide faster updates. The seventh thing is automation. ONESOURCE automates many tasks like tax calculation and filing, but automation isn't always perfect. Some users have reported occasional errors in calculations, which can be a major issue for businesses dealing with large volumes of transactions. The eighth point is the user interface. ONESOURCE's interface can be clunky and difficult to navigate for new users. If you're used to a sleek, modern UI, this might be a downside compared to other solutions like Avalara, which tends to have a more user-friendly interface. The ninth thing is the customer support. Thomson Reuters. ONESOURCE offers solid customer support, but response times can vary, especially during busy periods. In contrast, other competitors like TaxJar have a reputation for faster, more accessible support. The 10th thing is scalability. ONESOURCE is built for large enterprises, which means it scales well for growing companies. However, if you're a small or mid-sized business, you may not need all of the features it offers, making it less cost-effective than other options. The 11th thing to know is the implementation process. Onboarding with ONESOURCE can be a lengthy process, often requiring specialized consultants. This can add to the overall cost and time investment, making competitors like Avalara or TaxJar more appealing for those who want a quicker setup. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Thomson Reuters ONESOURCE is a solid choice if you need a comprehensive global solution and you're ready to invest the time and resources required to get the most out of it. But for businesses that want something simpler, quicker, and potentially more affordable, we've got a better solution for you. Thomson Reuters. ONESOURCE. Indirect tax is a powerful tool, but it's not the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for an easier, more budget-friendly option with fast updates, we recommend trying our solution, which offers free trials and is designed to help businesses of all sizes. Check out the link below to give it a try.